Now back to the Legends Science Channel.
As the weather warms throughout the Northern Hemisphere, a giant annual migration occurs. Entire herds of eager young students thunder out and away from their schools towards summer break. And inside the now fallow schools, a glorious transition takes place. In the warmth and comparative safety of empty, now accessible rooms and hallways, maintenance workers blossom. This is their time, and they frolic. They delight in the opportunity to do long overdue maintenance unimpeded by a constant stream of children. They can finally take on big floor care projects. For this, Pacific Floorcare is the natural choice. Pacific Floorcare's 2,000 revolutions per minute microcircle technology maximizes scrubbing efficiency, easily outperforming standard 200 RPM machines. These extraordinary orbital machines make wax stripping painless, saving your team hours of labor. Pacific Floorcare's square-head machines eliminate the need for harsh stripping agents by using powerful down pressure and water to achieve effortless, chemical-free finish removal. Give your floors and maintenance team a sparkling, magically productive summer with Pacific Floorcare.
Maximize your sales potential with Legends.